I get the honor of introducing this next team. I met these guys, Nick and Marty, about 2 days after they came to Colorado from New York City. And I think they weren't so sure about the whole Colorado thing, but I think it's sticking to them a little bit right now. But the first thing I noticed with these guys, they have a deep passion to solve a problem that we all deal with every now and then, and for all the parties involved is extremely frustrating. And these guys are working so hard to fix this problem. And when I saw the technology, I could tell right away it's got amazing promise. So please help me welcome from SimplyCalled, Nick Kumar. Go for it.
Don't you just hate calling customer service? I really hate calling customer service. Just last week, I had to call Southwest Airlines to change my flight to go see my wife and daughter. I was transferred 4 times, and after 65 miserable minutes, I looked like this guy. And my problem still wasn't fixed. Sound familiar? Well, it's not just bad for us. Did you know that every time you speak to a live agent, it actually costs the company at least $5 per phone call? The trouble is, customer service is broken for both the caller and the call center. And it's expensive, as you can know. My name is Nick Kumar, CEO and co-founder of SimplyCalled. And we're changing all that. We're making those painful phone calls to customer service simple. Simple for the caller, simple for the call center, simple from start to finish. So, who's out there right now trying to solve customer service? The same guys who created the problem in the first place. These guys invented the old phone tree problem. Press 4 for this, press 8 for that. And what's their solution? A new phone tree problem. Please listen closely as our menu options have changed. So, how are we different? How are we making this any better? Rather than tell you, let me show you. Say your TV and internet go down, and you have to call your service provider, Easy Cable. Of course, dealing with Easy Cable is anything but easy. You call customer service and get in line with 25,000 other callers just to find out when service is coming back up. Well, with SimplyCalled, here's what happens instead. You simply dial 1-800-EASY-CABLE, and magic, an outage map pops up that says, service in Boulder, Colorado will be fixed in 2 hours. No sweat. You go over to your girlfriend's house because she has Comcast. SimplyCalled is the patented technology that enables this display of information during the phone call right on your phone. So in this example, say half the callers see our outage map and hang up without speaking to a live agent. Well, we save Easy Cable $5 per phone call. And on the 13,000 callers, that's $65,000 in cost savings. And with our 30% commission, SimplyCalled makes $20,000 on just one outage alone. Now, saving cost is one way we make money. Driving revenue is another way we make money. Right now, we're talking to the Denver Post about a very interesting problem. Say you call the Denver Post to place a classified ad to sell your car. You talk to the agent, and they try to upsell you. They try to get you to go from paying $50 for this basic ad to paying $75 for this more expensive ad. But how do they do that? How do they convince you to pay more without actually showing you what you're getting? With SimplyCalled, this is your new experience. You simply dial 1-800-DENVER-POST, connect to an agent, tell her a bit about your car, and here is what she shows you, right on your phone. You can see the difference in what you're getting. You decide what you want. Simple. No emails back and forth, no downloading another mobile app. Done. SimplyCalled. By the way, we can tie this type of experience to any customer service phone number in the world. So what is SimplyCalled? Well, actually, let me tell you about the money we make here before I tell you how our technology works. So, let's say a third of the callers actually go for the upsell. The average upsell of the Denver Post is $25 per upsell. So, in this example, if just a third of the callers, 500 callers this month, actually go for it, that generates $13,000 of additional revenue for the Denver Post. And with our 20% commission, we make $2,500 this month from one department, from one newspaper. And there are about 2,000 newspapers across US and Canada. So, what is SimplyCalled? SimplyCalled is call center technology that combines voice with visuals for better customer service. For companies, we make money and save money. For customers, we save time and deliver an awesome customer service interaction. This is a huge market. Did you know that corporations spend over $300 million in the Denver area alone? Just think of all the cool things we can do with this technology, how we can facilitate calls from beginning to end, how we can reduce hassle and generate money. Given our strong local connections, we have decided to make, we are excited to make, Denver our initial test market. We are riding a wave of strong publicity. We made CIO Magazine's list of top productivity hacks, and on a fun note, just last week, ABC Studios informed us that we've been shortlisted for season 7 of Shark Tank. We have a strong pipeline of deals and are in conversations with these companies. In fact, Genesys, the world's #1 provider of call center solutions, called us to learn more about our patent. Behind every successful product is an amazing team with awesome talent. For example, our CTO, Marty Gindi, has been featured in Crain's New York, holds multiple patents, and brought the country inter-carrier text messaging. If you sent a text message today, chances are it went through Marty's code. I'd like to give deep thanks to Scott Brown, Josh Seiden, Ron Hill, and Marcus Bray for their invaluable mentorship and support. As Isaac Newton said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." SimplyCalled is simply better. We're simple to use, simple to integrate, simple to do business with. We are a breath of fresh air. Because we dare to dream of a world where calling customer service isn't so hard. So join me and let's change customer service together. Thank you.